Hello viewers, finally I have replaced the screen of my iPhone 13. Luckily I have got an original display from a broken iPhone 13 from a local store at an enticing price. After the replacement of the screen, True Tone feature is not working, and in the settings a message of unknown part is showing in the display section. After few days I noticed that auto brightness sensor is not working. As a result, I have to adjust the screen brightness manually. It's very irritating. Apart from these issues, I could not find anything in my iPhone. As I have changed the display, I checked the HDR capability, and HDR videos on YouTube is running smoothly. You can smoothly play HDR videos at 4K 60 fps. And also there is no problem in Amazon Prime. Also I have checked it. Full HD video plays very well on Amazon Prime. You can play, but the display is smaller, so that multimedia experience would not be as smooth as an Android one. Then I checked the battery health. It is still maintaining a battery health of 88% even after 2 years of usage. That's incredible. Normally the battery backup of iPhone 13 is excellent. You can expect a battery life or an SOT of 6 hours plus. Camera performance is also excellent in iPhone 13. There is no difference. iPhone 13 has a good sets of cameras, so you can expect good photography and videography, and all know that videography from iPhone is the best compared to Android. Now talking about the future software update. Should you update your iPhone to the latest version? Look, if your iPhone is out of warranty, you should never update to the latest version, because after software update many iPhone users including me are facing display problem. There is green screen, there is black screen. In my case the iPhone got black. As my iPhone screen got damaged after software update, I will not update my iPhone 13, which is out of warranty, to the latest version. If your iPhone is within warranty, in that case you may update to the latest version. Apple in fact covers display replacement for the under warranty iPhones. So if you are using an iPhone which is under warranty, in that case you can update to the latest version or the upcoming iOS 18 to get the best features. Otherwise there is no need to update to the latest version. So after display change I can say that there is no problem apart from True Tone display and auto brightness feature. However, I will go to third-party service center again to fix these issues, and then I will let you know about the True Tone and also the auto brightness sensor. So if you are interested to see those videos, you can subscribe the channel and also like this video and share this video to help me grow in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.